This is Dr. Sonam Shinde, Consultant Interventional Cardiologist at KLE Medicover Hospital, Pune. Today we are going to have a brief discussion on what is coronary angiography and what set of population is coronary angiography required. Coronary angiography is a simple test under local anesthesia, painless, daycare procedure to know the blockages of the coronary arteries. It is nowadays done most commonly via right radial route, that is the right upper limb. Now, who needs coronary angiography? First, patients with heart disease or symptoms of heart disease like acute, patient who has severe chest pain, central in location associated with profuse sweating, breathlessness, pain radiating to the left shoulder or the neck region. These patients usually have significant ECG changes in the form of ST elevation or ST depression. Secondly, the patients who have chronic symptoms like dyspnea on exertion, chest pain or heaviness on walking, lifting heavy weight, climbing stairs, which is relieved by rest or taking sublingual nitroglycerin tablets. This set of population is the most important group. In these patients, coronary angiography should be done at the earliest and SOS revascularization accordingly. Secondly, patients who are getting the treadmill test done, which is nowadays most commonly called as stress test. When the patients do stress test, ECG changes are usually seen at the stages of peak exercise or recovery. Third group of population, nowadays 2D echo is advised on a routine basis. 2D echocardiography is commonly called as sonography of the heart. In 2D echo, when we see there is low ejection fraction, normal ejection fraction being 60 to 70%, or any regional wall motion abnormality seen on echo. And fourth most common group, elderly population who are heading for major surgeries. The surgeries can be major cardiovascular surgeries in the form of valve replacement, aortic dissection or any other vascular surgery, or any other non-cardiovascular surgeries like major neurological surgeries or orthopedic surgeries. These patients are advised coronary angiography as a part of pre-anesthetist workup for risk stratification. So, kindly get your cardiac checkup done. Do not neglect any of the warning symptoms and consult your cardiologist accordingly. Thank you. Take care.